Okay, hello people. So this is my second tutorial that I'm doing. Yeah, it's I'm really bad at this, so yeah. So at this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how to make a GUI. If you don't know what's a GUI, it's basically like a window like this, like a website thingy. It's just like a a little tiny like thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this using the pygame library, and I'm gonna use Sublime Text Editor 3. So the first thing you want to do is that we need to install the library pygame. So I'm gonna go in command prompt, and um what you want to do here is that you want to do pip install pygame. When you click in it, it should install, but for my case, since I already installed it, it should tell that I already did. Once you finish installing it, you want to create a new file, and I'm gonna save this as don't mind my other files. Yeah. Just call this. Wait, alright. Just call this. I'm gonna create a thing. Oh, yeah. Called GUI tutorial. And I'm gonna put it here and save it right here. Oh, as a py. So we're gonna start saying import pygame, since we're like telling it to like import the library pygame. So the first thing we want to start doing is starting the thing itself, the GUI. So basically we do pygame.display.init. So all of this is doing like it's creating a like normal GUI, but like the thing is that it doesn't have a set like width and height, so it's just like nothing. In this case, it's just gonna like end up automatically because that's how it works. So now we want to do. I'm gonna make it two variables that's saying width and height, but you don't need to do that. I just want to do that because it makes the code look more like complete and people will understand it better. So I make width equals to, let's make it 500, and then and height equals to 500 as well. So what we're gonna do now is that we need to make it something that's called screen. So screen equals to I need to think about this. Screen equals what? Oh, sorry. I need to look at the stuff first. Okay, guys. So screen will equal to pygame dot display dot set mode, which, and then we're gonna have to use our variable, which is, or variables, which is width and height. It doesn't really matter how you use it, I think. So yeah, I don't know. So what this is basically doing is just setting how big is the GUI. So now that we have all this set up, we need to make a while, because no, we need to do game over equals to false, and because that's just saying that, like, because there's like every time you run it, let me show you. It will run and it will close automatically without you wanting to do it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a while loop that's saying while not game over, I think. Yeah, we need to say that for the thing not to stop immediately. So you just gotta make this if you're not gonna do anything about it, it's very simple. You just do pass and then you run it. Oh shoot, wait, what? Yeah, okay. And if you see, look, there you go, we have a little tab and ha 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 ha. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I got an error, but the only thing it did, yeah, I put cape over. So, alright, so if we try this again, the computer would just, yeah, it won't close. Yay, so here we have our little thing, and now, if you just want to do that, it's fine, but like, the way that you do it that I like to use is that, you do for event in, pygame.event.get, you do in an if statement saying that if pygame.event equals to pygame.quit. Oh, wait a minute, guys, I forgot about something. Go back, I forgot to tell you guys to install another library that is called CSYS, but probably most things already come with CSYS. So then if you want to know how to import libraries again, and go to command prompt, and then you do pip install CSS. Yeah. So you just gotta go here and import CSS. Sorry guys. Yeah. And then okay, let's keep going. So do that and then do this and you just do CYS dot hex and I think we're good to go now. Boom. And it's loading, and if we press the red button, the thing should quit out. Or not. I think it did something wrong here. Wait a minute. Just found out it's very simple. I just did something wrong. Is event.type equals to pygame.quit. And then you just do that. So what basically this is doing is that it's looking for what's happening in the side of the window, and it's this two lines of code saying that if you press this red button here, it will create out the thing. Yeah, very simple. And if we test this again and we click, it should quit out. It should quit out. Oh no, okay, no, what's wrong with this? Sorry. There are too many errors. You just do everything in caps. Yeah, just do everything in uppercase. I forget about that. So now, if you look at this again, you press, yeah, okay. So this is the simple method that I found how to do with pygame, and if you like watching the video, that's great. Alright, so goodbye.